All right, so some real world applications. In example A, Kristen went to the store to buy school supplies. The equation that models what Kristen bought is given by 3.5n plus 0.39p equals 15. All right, so we have this equation. N represents the number of notebooks, and P represents the number of pencils she bought. How many pencils can she buy if she buys 2 notebooks? So this part right here is key, because I have 2 variables there. I don't know how to solve yet when I'm dealing with 2 variables. But if she buys 2 notebooks, that means I can plug in 2 for N. And now I can solve this. Okay, so we have 7 plus 0.39p equals 15. Subtract 7 from both sides, so I get 0.39p equals 8. Divide both sides by 0.39. And what we're going to get p to be about 20.5. All right, so how many pencils can she buy? Well, you can't buy half a pencil. And she doesn't have enough money for us to round up and say 21 pencils. So she can buy 20 pencils. All right, a big thing with real world problems is we have to make sure our answer makes sense in the context of the problem. So we're trying to solve for number of pencils. Again, she can't buy half a pencil. She doesn't have enough money to buy that 21st pencil, so we have to round down. She can only buy 20 pencils. Okay? In part B, among the career home run leaders for the Major League Baseball, Hank Aaron has 181 fewer than twice the number of Chipper Jones. Hank Aaron hit 755 home runs. All right, so I'm giving you the equation here. All right, so 755 represents Hank Aaron's home runs. And then Hank Aaron has 181 fewer than 2 times C. So C represents the number of home runs. Oh, I guess that's what question 1's asking. Here, let me move this down there. C wants a complete sentence. So C represents the number of home runs Chipper Jones had. Okay? Now it wants us to solve this equation. So 755 equals 2 times C minus 181. So first step is to add 181 to both sides. So we have 936 equals 2C. Divide both sides by 2. C equals 468. And then again, part C is asking, answer the question in a complete sentence. What was this asking for? Asking us to solve for C. What did C represent? C represented the number of home runs Chipper Jones had. So we can now answer this. Chipper Jones had 468 career home runs. Okay? So that is how we deal with those application problems. All right, for now, the equation might be given to you, but eventually we're going to be working towards how can we write our own equations and solve those. Okay, so for now, let me see if I can go small so you can see all the problems. Yeah, there you go. Try those 3 you try now problems. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, practice is key when we're dealing with all these different types of application problems. All right, these are the real world. Where are we going to use this? Where are we going to see this? Here are some examples. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, practice, practice, practice.